let's see if we can make a crawdad trap out of this basket. So pretty much it has this lid that I tied it off on the side, and I'm thinking if I put a piece of stick and open it up, there you go, that's a trap. Put some chicken in there and throw it in the water, see what's gonna happen. You guys think it's gonna work? I mean, my prediction is that crayfish will just like pluck inside like animals and just hang out. They're gonna have a little chicken party. I mean, what happens at the party? You stay and you eat and you party, right? They're gonna like and I'm gonna come back in a few hours and scoop them up. What do you think? I think it's gonna work. So let's do this thing. Let's go. Hold this. Get your hands up. Okay, perfect. So if I fall in the water, don't leave me. Okay.
Nothing?
Nothing. Why nothing?
Grandma got the fish heads.
Perfect. So we're gonna cut this guy off in here and pick him up on the way back. Okay, check this out. Obviously it was a good idea, but for some reason it wasn't catching anything. Let's just leave this in here and let's go get the other trap. Thank you. If you like this, subscribe, please share, like. We're gonna be back. We're gonna get more. Trust me.
Trust him.